We're trying to make an alternative eye solution to people who use eye drops frequently. And our product idea is basically to convert the liquid into a more easily administrable like mist form. So imagine using a humidifier for your eyes. That would solve tons of problems, we believe, for kids as well as the elderly population. We participated in a hackathon earlier this year with a similar idea, but for dogs. We thought there are certain challenges which we could not overcome in the pet side of things, so we like, why not do this for humans, because this is a pretty big problem even for like the human population.
Startups are always kind of like an emotional roller coaster. Some things are working out and then some things are not. You get discouraged by what's out there right now, and then you kind of sometimes get discouraged by the competitors out there. But then at the end of the day, you just have to break through it and just go.
The customer discovery. We're not used to just like stalking people on the street and asking them a bunch of questions. We got plenty of rejections, like don't talk to us, we're busy, blah blah blah. So to try to get over that and just continue the process was kind of challenging. And just to go out of our comfort zone and just approach people, that was pretty difficult at sometimes.
I think the most rewarding part for me was, I guess, when we were talking to customers, and just straight off the bat, the customer says, yes, that is what we need. It makes me feel more certain that our product's gonna work.